Hey guys, we're on our way to Ocean City, Maryland. We're going to the beach. Primo, are you ready? Are you ready? It's summertime and time to beat the heat. And Maryland has one of the best spots in Ocean City. Join us as we explore and have some fun under the sun. Ocean City is a major beach resort area along the east coast of the United States. It is between the Atlantic Ocean and Isle of Wight Bay and features miles of beach and a wooden boardwalk lined with restaurants, shops, and hotels. It will take 2.5 hours to travel from Baltimore Washington International Thurgood Marshall Airport. The rain pours as we head to the hotel, Comfort Inn Boardwalk. The hotel has a simple yet cozy lobby area. Our room is on the 3rd floor. Here's our room, 302. Wow! Let's go inside. Wow! Before we take a tour, let's get our stuff first. We're now in our room and we are so mesmerized. It's our first time staying in a hotel in the US. Now let me give you a tour. So upon entering the room, you will see a kitchen, a small kitchen.
That's so cute.
Wow, we have bowls.
Primo, come here.
Mugs.
There's a lot of birds.
We have plates and glasses. Nice. And exhaust. Cool. And we have the stove and the sink.
So cute.
We have a microwave. And we have coffee.
Jump, jump, jump.
We have the oven toaster.
Jump.
We have our mini fridge.
Jump. Jump, 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 jump.
Beautiful.
Wow.
We have drawers.
Wow.
Oops, it's a fixture.
Wow.
Okay, we have dishwashing racks. Garbage here.
Wow.
Wow, we have cutleries. Can opener. Ooh, we also have a kitchen utensils. We have kitchen utensils. Nice. Cool. Next. Wow, here are the pots and pans. Wow. Pots and pans. Another drawer. Now let's go to the bathroom. Wow. Oops, I turned on the exhaust. So I think there's a thermostat here. And we have the pillows. Yep. So the vanity room. You have the hair dryer. Let's see where the switch is. There. Yep. We have the amenities. And this is the mini bathroom.
That's a remote control. So
The shower head.
Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Then we have the overhead mirror. How do you call it? Overhead mirror. Whole body mirror. Whole body mirror. And what do we have here? Oops, it's a cabinet. So we got extra pillows. We have iron, hangers. We have bags for laundry request. We have the iron board. And we have a safety deposit box. And this luggage rack. Luggage rack. Do you like it?
Love it here.
Do you like it? And here, let's go to the main spot. We have 2 queen size beds. Beautiful. So the lampshade with the digital clock and the telecom phone. Some notepads. Bible. What's this? What is this? What is this? It's a phone. Can you say hello? Like this. Close it. There. Okay?
Hello.
The television. Wow, it looks like a 50-inch television. 15-inch television.
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 And we have 3-level chest drawers. Let's turn this thing on. It's great. The study table and dinner table in one. We have cups and what's this? I don't know. Plastic bags. And here we have the couch or the sofa. Let's turn this thing on.
Birds.
Oops. Oops.
It's a bird.
Is it not working? Oh no. Strange.
It's just a display.
Display? No, it's not plugged. And our air conditioning system. Now I'm taking record of everything because any minute from now this place will be wrecked and disorganized because we have the boss here. And of course the beautiful, the main attraction. Let's slide this. Voila! You have a chair here, one here, and another here, and then you can just enjoy the view outside. Now from here you can see the pool, Comfort Inn's pool. There. Now this is what we paid for. Wow, look at that. Birds! Oh!
It's them!
Now it's time for dinner. Good thing we brought homemade meals before heading here.
Eat.
Eat.
And Primo wants some tender loving care from Daddy.
Thank you. Welcome.
Hey guys, it's already past 9 and we just moved from 3rd floor to the 5th floor because while me and Primo were taking a bath, one of the hotel attendants went to our room because we got a report that the room below us there was a leak from their ceiling. Same room but a different angle, so we like it. Due to what happened, half of the price of our stay was refunded. Now we could enjoy the cold summer night. Come here. So my wife decided to stay in the tent rather than in the bed. Primo will stay in the bed. And I just found out that the sofa could turn into an extra bed. Primo, come here. Can't stay up late because we have lots of activities to do the next day.